નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. In our last video, we learned about the different views, right? Front view, side view, top view, right? Now here I take two examples for our revision, right? First picture, dog. This is the front view of dog, right? Now next picture, this is the side view of car. Next, this is the side view of bag. Now look at in next picture, bus. Yes, the first picture, this is the front view of bus, right? In second picture, this is the top view of bus, and last one, this is the side view of bus, right? Now here we are going to see some patterns which we can draw on dots, right? Here in this picture we can see the different types of pattern here, right children? This is made by dots. Okay, now what is pattern? Patterns are nothing, just repeated design. For example, in our day-to-day life, we can see in our dresses, shawls, screens having this type of repeated design, that is called pattern. Now next example of pattern is rangoli or column, right? Here in this picture you can see the column pattern. Okay children, rangoli design or column design you can see in your house to make your house beautiful, right? Now what is rangoli? Rangoli is patterns with dots. We also can say rangoli is design which we make in front of our house at a time of festival. When Diwali and Holi is there, your mama and sister, they draw a rangoli in front of your house. Rangoli is beautiful design with colorful colors, right? You all know about rangoli, right? Now here this boy asking the questions, right? Now let's we learn. Have you ever made a rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful flower patterns. Here this boy told us her friend Meenakshi make beautiful flower patterns. Now in second, I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make column patterns every morning. They made by using dots. Here Meenakshi giving her introduction and telling us she is drawing column every morning. Now how does Meenakshi make rangoli or column patterns? She makes column patterns by using dots. In this picture we can see Meenakshi making column patterns. In this we can clearly see the dots, right? She joins the dots and make different types of column patterns. Next, you can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. Two examples have been drawn here. Here we can see the two examples, right? Different dots patterns are drawn here and they color it also. Now here we can draw similar design also, and you can draw your own design. First of all, you have to count the dots and make beautiful patterns, right? You can draw your own design. You can draw design like this also. Okay children, you have to draw your own and color it. Now in next page, make other patterns yourself. First one, copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. Here are the some patterns given. You have to make it. Some lines are straight and some lines are curved. So you have to make pattern looking over here. You have to draw this same to same pattern in this given dot grid. Okay children? Now in next page, second question, use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shapes. Here you have to draw designs, right? You can draw any flower, shapes, leaves. You can draw anything here which you want to draw. Some designs and shapes are given below. Here you can see I draw different types of design for you. You can create your own also. Third question, complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. Here few lines are there, and when you complete it you will be find out few rectangles, triangles and few square. Okay, now let's we complete these lines and see what shapes made here. In first, when we complete the line, this make rectangle. Okay, now second shape triangle, third shape square, fourth shape also square, fifth shape rectangle, and last one when we complete the line, these make square. Okay children? So these are different patterns you can make with dots. Now question number 4. On the dot grid given below, draw the following. Here you have to draw this pattern using these dots. First one you have to draw kite, second leaf, third flower, fourth boat, fifth star and sixth one pot. Using this dot grid you have to draw these 6 picture. Here I am giving the answer. This is the picture of kite, leaf, flower, boat, star and pot. You can create your own design also. Children, why we are playing with the shapes on the grid? That you can understand the shapes and symmetry. Now what is symmetry? When we divide a picture from the center, they are equal on both the sides. So symmetry you have to understand, and that is when these patterns were being made on the dots. Right? Symmetry means the picture divides into two similar equal parts. Okay. Now I hope you all understand this concept, dots and patterns. Today we learn about different types of shapes and pattern of rangoli and column. We draw different types of design also with using the dots, right? And here our second concept is over. First we learn about the different views of things, and second we learn the dots and patterns. Now we will continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you for joining us.